Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about traditional tales. A traditional tale is an old story. People told these stories long ago. They told them to their children and grandchildren. Most traditional tales start with once upon a time. Traditional tales have kings and queens, animals that talk, magic and fun. In a traditional tale, good characters win, bad characters lose. There is a lesson or moral. Some famous traditional tales are Cinderella, Little Red Riding Hood, The Three Little Pigs. These stories teach us to be kind, be brave, be honest. So remember, a traditional tale is an old story with a lesson. Practice time. Question 1. Is a traditional tale new or old? Old. Question 2. Most traditional tales start with once upon a time. Question 3. Do traditional tales teach us a lesson? Yes or no? Yes. Question 4. Which one is a traditional tale? A story about science. B. Cinderella. Cinderella. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.